Welcome to our deep dive into the world of liquid biopsies, a groundbreaking advancement in medical diagnostics. Imagine a simple blood test that can provide critical insights into your health, especially when it comes to detecting and monitoring cancer. Liquid biopsies are transforming how doctors approach cancer detection, offering a less invasive, faster, and potentially more comprehensive alternative to traditional tissue biopsies. In this video, we'll explore what liquid biopsies are, how they work, and why they're considered a game changer in oncology. Let's embark on this journey to understand the science and promise behind liquid biopsies. Liquid biopsy is a test done on a sample of blood to look for cancer cells or pieces of DNA from tumor cells circulating in the blood. Unlike traditional biopsies, which require surgery or needle extraction of tissue, liquid biopsies are minimally invasive. This means less discomfort and risk for patients. The test can detect genetic mutations, monitor treatment response, and even catch cancer recurrence early. Liquid biopsies are not limited to blood. They can also use other body fluids like urine or cerebrospinal fluid, depending on the cancer type. The process of a liquid biopsy begins with a simple blood draw. Scientists then analyze the sample for circulating tumor DNA, ctDNA, cancer cells, or other biomarkers. Advanced technologies like next-generation sequencing help identify genetic changes linked to cancer. This approach allows doctors to track the evolution of a tumor over time, adjust treatments, and make more informed decisions. The ability to monitor cancer in real time is one of the most exciting aspects of liquid biopsies, offering hope for earlier intervention and better outcomes. Traditional tissue biopsies involve removing a piece of tissue from the body, often through surgery or a needle. This can be painful, risky, and sometimes not possible if the tumor is hard to reach. Liquid biopsies, on the other hand, require only a blood sample, making them safer and more convenient. They can be repeated as often as needed to monitor disease progression or treatment response. This flexibility is a major advantage, especially for patients who need ongoing care. One of the most promising uses of liquid biopsies is early cancer detection. Because tumors shed DNA and cells into the bloodstream, these tests can sometimes find cancer before symptoms appear or before a tumor is visible on imaging scans. Early detection is crucial for improving survival rates, as it allows for earlier treatment and better management of the disease. Liquid biopsies are paving the way for routine cancer screening in the future. Liquid biopsies are also valuable for monitoring how well a patient is responding to cancer treatment. By analyzing changes in ctDNA or other biomarkers, doctors can see if a treatment is working or if the cancer is developing resistance. This real-time feedback helps guide treatment decisions, allowing for adjustments that can improve outcomes. Patients benefit from more personalized care and fewer unnecessary treatment. After successful cancer treatment, the risk of recurrence is a major concern. Liquid biopsies can detect tiny amounts of tumor DNA that may signal a cancer is coming back, often before it can be seen on scans. This early warning system allows doctors to intervene sooner, potentially stopping the cancer before it spreads. Regular liquid biopsies offer peace of mind for patients and their families, knowing that any changes can be caught quickly. Liquid biopsies are being used to detect a variety of cancers, including lung, breast, colorectal, and prostate cancers. Research is ongoing to expand their use to even more cancer types. The versatility of liquid biopsies means they could become a universal tool for cancer detection and management, benefiting a wide range of patients. Key component of liquid biopsies is circulating tumor DNA or ctDNA. These are small fragments of DNA released by cancer cells into the bloodstream. By analyzing ctDNA, scientists can identify specific mutations and track how a tumor is changing. This information is crucial for selecting targeted therapies and understanding the biology of the cancer. Besides ctDNA, liquid biopsies can detect other biomarkers such as circulating tumor cells, CTCs, RNA, proteins, and exosomes. Each of these provides unique information about the cancer and its behavior. The combination of multiple biomarkers increases the accuracy and usefulness of liquid biopsies, making them a powerful tool in precision medicine. Next-generation sequencing (NGS) is a technology that allows scientists to read and analyze large amounts of DNA quickly and accurately. In liquid biopsies, NGS helps identify genetic mutations and alterations in ctDNA. This high-resolution approach enables personalized treatment plans and helps researchers discover new cancer targets. Liquid biopsies offer several advantages over traditional methods. They are minimally invasive, can be performed frequently, and provide a more comprehensive view of the cancer. Patients experience less pain and risk, and doctors gain valuable information to guide treatment. These benefits are driving the rapid adoption of liquid biopsies in clinical practice. Despite their promise, liquid biopsies have limitations. Not all cancers shed enough DNA into the bloodstream to be detected, and false positives or negatives can occur. The technology is still evolving, and more research is needed to improve accuracy and reliability. Understanding these challenges helps set realistic expectations for patients and doctors. Liquid biopsies are especially beneficial for patients who cannot undergo traditional biopsies due to health risks or inaccessible tumors. They are also useful for monitoring patients over time, offering a less burdensome way to track disease progression and treatment response. As technology advances, more people will be able to benefit from these innovative tests. Many clinical trials are underway to test the effectiveness of liquid biopsies in different cancers and settings. These studies are helping to refine the technology, identify new biomarkers, and expand the use of liquid biopsies in routine care. Participation in clinical trials also gives patients access to cutting-edge diagnostics and treatments. Regulatory agencies like the FDA are beginning to approve liquid biopsy tests for certain uses, such as detecting specific mutations in lung cancer. These approvals are based on rigorous evidence showing the tests are safe and effective. As more data becomes available, it's expected that liquid biopsies will gain broader approval for other cancers and applications. Insurance coverage for liquid biopsies varies by country and provider. As the technology becomes more widely accepted and evidence of its benefits grows, more insurance companies are beginning to cover these tests. This trend is making liquid biopsies more accessible to patients who need them. The cost of liquid biopsies can be high, especially for advanced tests using next-generation sequencing. However, as technology improves and becomes more common, prices are expected to decrease. Lower costs will help make these tests available to more patients, further driving their adoption in healthcare. For patients, liquid biopsies offer a more comfortable and less stressful experience compared to traditional biopsies. The simple blood draw is quick and easy, reducing anxiety and recovery time. This patient-friendly approach is one reason why liquid biopsies are gaining popularity among both patients and healthcare providers. Liquid biopsies are a cornerstone of precision medicine, which aims to tailor treatments to each patient's unique genetic makeup. By providing detailed information about a tumor's mutations and behavior, liquid biopsies help doctors select the most effective therapies. This personalized approach leads to better outcomes and fewer side effects. While liquid biopsies are best known for cancer detection, researchers are exploring their use in other diseases, such as organ transplant monitoring and prenatal testing. The ability to analyze DNA and other biomarkers in blood opens up new possibilities for non-invasive diagnostics across medicine. Future of liquid biopsies is bright. As technology advances, these tests will become even more sensitive, accurate, and affordable. Researchers are working to expand their use to more diseases and improve their ability to guide treatment decisions. Liquid biopsies are poised to become a routine part of healthcare, transforming how we detect and manage disease. As with any new technology, liquid biopsies raise important ethical questions. Issues include privacy of genetic information, informed consent, and how results are communicated to patients. Addressing these concerns is essential to ensure that liquid biopsies are used responsibly and benefit everyone. Access to liquid biopsies varies around the world. In some countries, these tests are widely available, while in others, cost and infrastructure limit their use. Efforts are underway to make liquid biopsies more accessible globally, ensuring that more patients can benefit from this technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing an increasing role in analyzing the complex data generated by liquid biopsies. AI algorithms can identify patterns and mutations that might be missed by human analysis, improving accuracy and speed. This partnership between technology and medicine is accelerating progress in cancer diagnostics. Many patients have already benefited from liquid biopsies, experiencing earlier detection, more effective treatments, and better outcomes. Their stories highlight the real-world impact of this technology and inspire hope for the future. As more people share their experiences, awareness and acceptance of liquid biopsies continue to grow. Doctors and healthcare providers are enthusiastic about the potential of liquid biopsies. They appreciate the ability to monitor patients more closely, adjust treatments quickly, and offer less invasive options. Their support is crucial for integrating liquid biopsies into standard care and ensuring patients receive the best possible outcomes. Ongoing research and development are driving improvements in liquid biopsy technology. Scientists are discovering new biomarkers, refining detection methods, and expanding the range of diseases that can be diagnosed. This commitment to innovation ensures that liquid biopsies will continue to evolve and benefit more patients. Collaboration between researchers, clinicians, and industry partners is essential for advancing liquid biopsy technology. By sharing data, expertise, and resources, these groups are accelerating progress and bringing new tests to market faster. Teamwork is key to overcoming challenges and maximizing the benefits of liquid biopsies. Educating patients, providers, and the public about liquid biopsies is crucial for their successful adoption. Clear communication about the benefits, limitations, and appropriate uses of these tests helps set expectations and encourages informed decision-making. Awareness campaigns are helping to spread the word and increase acceptance. Specialized laboratories play a vital role in performing and interpreting liquid biopsy tests. Their expertise ensures accurate results and reliable data for doctors and patients. As demand for liquid biopsies grows, laboratories are expanding their capabilities and investing in new technologies. The process of collecting a sample for a liquid biopsy is straightforward. A healthcare provider draws a small amount of blood, which is then sent to a laboratory for analysis. The simplicity of this process makes it easy to repeat as needed, providing ongoing information about a patient's health. Liquid biopsy results are typically available within a few days, much faster than traditional biopsies. This quick turnaround allows doctors to make timely decisions about treatment and monitoring. Fast results are especially important when dealing with aggressive cancers that require immediate action. Interpreting the results of a liquid biopsy requires expertise in genetics and oncology. Doctors look for specific mutations, changes in biomarker levels, and other clues to guide treatment. Clear communication between labs and healthcare providers ensures that results are used effectively to benefit patients. Personalized medicine is all about tailoring treatment to the individual. Liquid biopsies provide the genetic information needed to match patients with the most effective therapies. This approach is leading to better outcomes, fewer side effects, and a new era of individualized care. Pharmaceutical companies are using liquid biopsies to develop new cancer drugs. By analyzing how tumors respond to experimental treatments, researchers can identify promising therapies and speed up the drug development process. This accelerates the arrival of new medicines for patients in need. Liquid biopsies are often used alongside other diagnostic tools such as imaging and tissue biopsies. Combining these methods provides a more complete picture of the cancer, helping doctors make better decisions. This integrated approach is becoming the standard in modern oncology. For patients with rare cancers, liquid biopsies offer new hope. These tests can detect mutations and guide treatment when traditional biopsies are not possible. As research continues, liquid biopsies may become a lifeline for those with hard-to-treat cancers. Liquid biopsies are also being explored for use in children with cancer. The less invasive nature of these tests is especially important for young patients, reducing discomfort and risk. Pediatric applications are an exciting area of ongoing research. Liquid biopsies have the potential to be used in large-scale cancer screening programs. By making early detection easier and more accessible, these tests could help catch cancers before symptoms develop. Widespread screening could lead to earlier treatment and improved survival rates. After treatment, regular liquid biopsies can be used for follow-up and surveillance. This ongoing monitoring helps catch any signs of recurrence early, allowing for prompt intervention. Patients benefit from peace of mind and more proactive care. On a public health level, liquid biopsies could help track cancer trends and outcomes across populations. Large-scale data collection and analysis can inform policy decisions, resource allocation, and research priorities. This population-level approach has the potential to improve cancer care for everyone. Support resources are available to help patients understand and navigate liquid biopsy testing. These include educational materials, counseling, and patient advocacy groups. Access to support ensures that patients feel informed and empowered throughout their cancer journey. As we look to the future, liquid biopsies are set to play an even greater role in cancer care and beyond. Ongoing research, technological advances, and increased awareness will continue to drive progress. The promise of earlier detection, better monitoring, and more personalized treatment is becoming a reality for patients around the world. Summary: liquid biopsies represent a major leap forward in cancer diagnostics and patient care. Their minimally invasive nature, ability to detect and monitor disease, and role in personalized medicine make them a powerful tool for the future. As technology continues to evolve, liquid biopsies will become even more integral to healthcare, offering hope and better outcomes for patients everywhere.